What's up, guys? And Lucky's being removed very soon by the snowstorm. 5 days. When that snowstorm hits, it's gone. Not actually sure if the snowstorm is going to hit in 5 days. It may not even hit Fortnite, but I'm pretty sure it may hit Lucky because at the south of the map it's around like here. If it was actually this close, it'd be around here. And it has been getting closer. Pretty sure it's going to hit Lucky. So, yeah. We got the loading screen. Can't really look well to look this house. We got the loading screen. The loading screen tells us all about it. The thing is, loading screen, it was like aim, and it's like aim to destroy it. It looked like on it, not a snowstorm, so that's pretty weird. So that's the end of the video, so